It was a more peculiar morning than most. Walter awaited his sister's return from whatever faraway part of London she'd spent all night in. Little did he know, she'd been a bit further afield than he expected.
Walter, are you in here?
Good Lord, Ruth. Where on earth have you been?
Well, that's the problem. I haven't been on Earth. Where do you think I was this morning? Was the sound of extraterrestrial life breaking in and kidnapping me not enough to wake you from your precious beauty sleep?
Sorry, I got the Gringles last night from Horror Dracula at the theatre. Must not have heard you. Too busy quaking in fear.
Shut up, Nosebleed. I could have used you last night, you know. I was scared, Walter. We only have each other. Don't take that for granted.
Yes, well, whatever. At least you got out unscathed. You should take a look in a mirror, though. You look a state.
Oh, God. I look like such a floozy.
What's new? Well then, what's the tale, Nightingale?
Well, whilst you were busy dreaming of vampires, I was busy being injected by freaks from...
Jesus!
No! Aliens, you dimwit! Have you even been listening to me for the past minute?
No. Sorry, I must have been busy dreaming of vampires.
Very funny. They gave me these injections. I'm being serious now, Walter. I don't know what was in them, and I was knocked out after 1 or 2 minutes, and then I don't know what happened.
Are you sure you just weren't out all night? I mean, you have come home in the morning in a similar fashion before. Ruth? I didn't really mean it. Ruth? Ruth? Oh my God. Shit! Ruth? Are you in there? You're holding on kind of tight there.
You must comply. What is the purpose of your existence?
What kind of a question is that, you mad bat?
Answer, or you will be destroyed. Answer!
Ruth, I don't know what you want me to say. You're hurting me. What have you done with my sister?
Ruth did not comply. She was a floozy.
I never wanted to comply to a world like the one you're creating.